In today's video, I share with you 7 benefits of stretching your natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. This is my hair after removing mini braids and treating it, and I'm going to show you just how I stretch my hair in this video, as well as talking you through some of the benefits. The results will be in part 2, so look out for that. You're watching my natural hair journey here on Simply Shev. Welcome or welcome back, loves. So great to have you here. So I've been sharing with you a series of videos after I've removed my mini braids and wearing them for 21 weeks. I've so far clarified my hair, shampooed my hair, and I've given it a treatment, which that video is to come out. And here I'm stretching it in preparation for getting it back into mini braids. My hair is growing so nicely, and one of the things I love to do is to stretch my natural hair before I put it back in mini braids. Now in this video, I use rollers to stretch my hair. It's minimum heat, so you could stretch your hair using a blow dryer, using a flat iron, or as in my case, using heated rollers. I prefer heated rollers. So let's talk about shrinkage just a little bit. My hair shrinks about 40%, 30 to 40%. It doesn't shrink all the way. When I do apply heat, my hair looks a lot longer and fuller. My hair is mainly mixed with 4B and 4C. And so I like the look of my hair when it is stretched, because it looks like I have a lot more hair as opposed to when it's not stretched. So the very first benefit of stretching your natural hair is it reduces tangles and it reduces breakage. By stretching your hair, you are able to keep your hair in a state that is not tangling back on itself, and in that way you will experience less tangling and breakage. So that is the very first benefit. The second benefit that I get when I straighten my hair is the sheen. My hair looks shiny, it looks beautiful, and I believe it's because the sebum on my scalp is able to travel down my hair a lot better. As you know, our scalp produces natural sebum, natural oils, and when we straighten our hair, it's able to travel down the shaft of our hair a lot better, and in that way my hair looks really shiny. The next benefit that I get from straightening my natural hair is that I can prepare it for other styles, and the other styles will last a bit longer. For example, if I was to install my mini braids straight after I'd wash it, they would look fuzzy for my hair type anyway. When I stretch it and straighten it, it makes styling a lot easier, but it also makes my protective style last a lot longer. If I'm going to be doing bantu knots, I get a different look when they stretch. If I'm going to be doing a braid out, I get a different look if it's stretched before I put those styling, as opposed to if I leave it in its shrunken state. So that is reason number 3 why I love to stretch my natural hair. If you are enjoying this video so far, it would really mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the like button and leave me a comment down below. That would really help me a lot. Thank you so much. So the next benefit that I see when I stretch my hair is it's a lot more manageable. It goes back to the previous point. Any style I'm doing, if I'm doing like I'm going to be doing mini braids, I need to be able to part my hair in lots of small little parts. When my hair is stretched, it's a lot easier to navigate and to part my hair in a straight line, and to also comb through my hair, and just the manageability of my hair. If I'm going to be wearing my hair without doing such an intricate protective style, such as wearing it in a bun, it just makes life a lot easier to style that style every day, or not to comb through it if it's already stretched or straightened. Using heat or not using heat, it's up to you. I do prefer to use a low heat or no heat, because of course you can get heat damage from stretching your hair, and I will come on to some of that in part 2 of the video. So a little bit about these rollers. I have reviewed them in 2 previous videos, which I will link in this video. I've given them a complete review and they're really great. I've had these for a long time, more than 10 years, and they're still going, so they're good value for money as well. And so you can check out those videos for more detailed information on these heated rollers. The next benefit I get from stretching my hair is actually softer. I can't really explain it, but when my hair has got a little bit of heat in there, and that's why when in my videos I always say a little bit of heat is good, my hair just feels softer overall. My hair is high porosity, and maybe the heat is sort of calming down those rough shaft and cuticles and making my hair feel a lot more smooth. And so that is another benefit of actually stretching your hair. Do go ahead and check out my mini braids for growth playlist. I will also link my comparison video playlist in here. I will be doing a comparison with this because I have done two previous videos, so it'd be good to see those side by side. But my comparison playlist shows you just the changes in my hair, and really having those videos side by side, you can really see how I'm growing my natural hair on Simply Shev and empowering you to grow your natural hair as well. Once again, I've also done a banding video. So banding is actually putting elastic or any sort of bands. I cut my tights and I use that along the length of my hair. My number one way of actually stretching my hair with no heat, no additional tools, is to plait my hair, and I've talked about plaiting my hair 3 times after wash day, and that gives me a good stretch. The way my hair is stretched in this video before the rollers is by plaiting my hair twice. If I plait my hair again once more, it will be straight. You could also use African thread, you could use wool, so there's a variety of ways of using no heat or low heat, which is what I recommend on my channel. You don't want to get heat damage because you'll have to cut that away. You can't nurse that back to health, and so it's best that you just start with styles that are low or no heat. Now, another benefit that I see of stretching my hair is showing off the length. After all, we are on a hair growth challenge, and so when I stretch my hair, it's great motivation to actually see the length of my hair, how much hair is on my head. And when I stretch my hair this time, when I show you the results in part 2, I'm really just surprised by how much hair or how much my hair has grown. And so it's great motivation to see your hair after working so hard, and it's coming up to a whole year since we've been on this challenge. I'm going to be doing update reviews on our hair goals. I can really see how much my hair has grown by stretching it out like this. So back to the video then. As you can see, I'm putting in these rollers. Now, I've lost quite a few of these rollers over time. I don't have as much as I used to have, but I'm still going along. I was supposed to buy a new set. That didn't happen, but I'm still using what I have to make this style happen. And I got a good amount of stretch with just a small amount of rollers that I had. Of course, I would have got an even better stretch if I did use the right amount of rollers or the right size, but I was quite happy with what I was able to get from these set of rollers. So my method is really quite simple. I literally just grab my hair and put it on. My hair is already stretched before this style. It's already completely detangled, and so I'm just grabbing my hair with no additional tools. As you can see, I took my hair down from a braid and I'm just rolling it on. Now, my hair is really thick and really long, so a lot of the time I'm having to put the roller in and take the roller back out to make sure that it does fit on these small rollers. Now, they're quite small because of the length of my hair. So that is the main drawback of using these heated rollers, is sometimes you don't find the right size, or you don't have the right size to be able to stretch your natural hair. So thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, we cover the benefits of stretching our natural hair, making it more manageable, reducing tangles and knots, making it, a basis of a style such as fluffy bantu knots or twist outs, and also just having more manageable hair to do protective style such as mini braids, which is what I'm preparing my hair for in this video. I hope you have been empowered and motivated to grow your natural hair. I will see you in part 2 for the results. Take care. Bye bye.